Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Northmas brand electric knife sharpener. We're going to open this up, demonstrate it, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Okay, so getting these things out of the box. On the box, it does give you some very important precautions, specifically about how to handle the actual sharpening here. Most important thing, maybe not most important, but to me the most important, is only pull the knife backwards to you, don't push it forward. So you're going to constantly be going away from the device and toward yourself, never pushing away from yourself. So we do have a user manual, and I always recommend you read all instructions carefully before using. Very lightweight, great looking, simple on off, and then of course it shows you how to put these in. That you want to put them in on an angle, obviously, and then whether we want a fine on the right or crude, and again they remind you to pull towards you, so you'll turn it on once it's plugged in with the power, which comes in this box most likely, and we're just going to pull towards us. So let's show you power plug, and then we'll demonstrate this in just a moment here. It's a simple AC/DC adapter that will plug in to the back, and then we'll just plug into an outlet. Before we get started, two things to note. First, I wanted to show you that you're going to start on the crude side and then go to the fine side, and I'm going to put it in before I turn it on. Make sure you do your best to keep it on an angle and not try and put it in straight. You want to kind of slide it in sideways on each side so that it gets a nice edge, and then you'll maybe smell some smell here, and you may see some sparks. So if you need protective glasses or anything for your eyes, feel free to do that. I don't think you require them, but I don't want to tell you one way or another on that. And then finally, never test these on your hands for sharpening. Always check on like a fruit or something else to cut. That way you can tell if it's sharp or not. So we'll turn it on. And you want to go about 1 inch per second and pull towards yourself. And depending on how sharp these are, you may go a couple times. And then we'll go in the fine side. Thicker knives will require more times through, or if they're really dull. And I'm starting to smell it a little bit because we are getting through it, the sharpening process. So that'll give you a good idea how this works and let you know exactly how to use it. I'll test out the blades now. Okay, so after testing them out, I was very, very impressed with the difference in sharpness. Again, don't do this with your fingers, but if you do cut, you'll find that there is a difference and improvement. And again, if you don't feel that it's sharp enough, just continue to sharpen up. And to me, the value is there, so worth buying. Hope you enjoyed this video.